This is a review of the Optima YellowTop battery Group 35 that I'm going to be doing a review and install about. In this review install, we're going to pretty much show you guys everything about this battery, and from there, we are also going to install this battery and show you guys how it cranks the car up. And without going further, let's go pretty much install this battery and talk about more in depth about this battery. So before we install this onto the vehicle, I do want to say that this is an AGM battery. What that means is that it's a deep cycle starting. So pretty much if you have a car that has underglow lightning accessories or subwoofers or anything like that, this, yellow top battery is probably one of the best batteries that you could get because it could hold all that stuff. And if you have a car that you don't even drive, that much either, and it sits a lot, this is probably one of the best batteries to get, considering that it's a deep cycle and it recharges as you don't drive the car at all either. And from there, it does say that it's a 770 the CCA, and right here on the bottom it says 620 that it could hold, and pretty much it states all the numbers right there. But yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this onto the car, and from there we're gonna crank this car up to see whether or not this battery is worth it. Okay, so this is the finished results. So we have the car lit up, everything's turned on, and headlights, pretty much the tail lights, all the lighting accessories, everything's on and really bright. You can see here I have the engine lighting right over here and right over there, onto the top right over here, and then onto the back side we have lighting too, and then underneath we have underglow. I would definitely recommend the YellowTop Optima battery because of the fact that it lights everything up. Pretty much everything looks strong. I checked the inside of the interior too. No more battery lights or no more any check engine lights or anything like that. Everything is solid, and I would definitely recommend it because of the fact that it's a deep cycle AGM battery that recharges even if you don't drive the car much. And if, for example, if the car sits in the garage and you don't really drive it enough, it's still going to pretty much charge your car as if you're not driving it at all, since it's a deep cycle AGM battery. It's going to keep charging your car up. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this battery if you're looking for a new battery for your car that you have, like, for example, you have like a lot of lights, accessories, subwoofers, and you don't even drive the car enough either, and it sits a lot. Then the YellowTop Optima battery is probably one of the best batteries to get for, especially for a car subwoofer, people, or pretty much any person that has a lot of lights. Then this is probably one of the best batteries that you could get.